How to recover deleted TikTok messages. Grab your phone and tap on the TikTok app to open it. Look at the bottom of the screen and tap the little person icon on the right. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those to open the menu. From the menu, you'll see an option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to go into the settings. Scroll down through the settings options until you see something that says Report a Problem. Tap on that. You'll see several categories. Look for one that says Interaction and tap on it. Under Interaction, tap on Direct Message. Now, you'll see some common problems listed. We want to go beyond those, so tap on Other. At the bottom of the list, you'll see an option that says Need More Help. Tap on that to get to the next step. A new page will open where you can type a message to TikTok's help desk. Here's what you can say. Hi, I accidentally deleted some important messages on TikTok. Can you help me recover them? Make sure to mention any details that might help them find your messages, like when you deleted them and from which user. Once you've written your message, hit the send button. Now, you just need to wait for TikTok support to get back to you. It might take a little time, so be patient. And that's it. I hope these steps help you recover your deleted TikTok messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.